check out the Petrified Forest. It's looking kind of busy out here. So here are some random things in my day. So I'm in what's called Crystal Forest right now, and there's these rad crystals. I feel like that's how a superhero would be made, like touching those crystals. So maybe I'm a superhero now. There's people up on the ridge and I probably look like a lunatic just sprinting back and forth. Look at these textures. I've been geeking out on stickers lately. Okay, now I'm gonna make my way up to Monument Valley, so thanks for coming.